Ukrainian volunteer Serhiy Sternenko has released new footage showing strike on a Russian helicopter using a FPV drone. The video reveals the moment the drone hit the Mi8 tail section with a powerful fragmentation warhead, although the exact fate of the helicopter remains unclear. Russian Rubin Central Design Bureau announced that it will present a model of the Amur 950 attack submarine at the Army 2024 exhibition. The Amur 950 is an export-oriented version of Lada-class submarine, featuring improved acoustic stealth, advanced combat systems, and option for air-independent propulsion. The Amur 950 is equipped with 10 vertical launch systems capable of firing salvos at multiple pre-designated targets. South Korea's defense giant Hanwha Aerospace has partnered with Malaysian special vehicle manufacturer Cendana Auto to undertake a significant modernization of the Malaysian Army's aging K-200 tracked infantry fighting vehicles. This initiative aims to improve the operational capabilities of the K-200 fleet, ensuring these IFVs remain effective on the modern battlefield. Israel Aerospace Industries has announced that its Rex Mk2 unmanned land vehicle system has been awarded the best scientific solution at the European Land Robot Trial. The Rex Mk2 is a multi-mission unmanned land vehicle designed to support ground forces by providing vital logistical support, gathering intelligence and facilitating command and control operations via a single operator using wireless communication.